Let's take a look here at S3 static website hosting, which allows you to host and serve a static website from your S3 bucket. Now, I need to make the distinction that this is a static website, so you're not getting server-side interactivity. Of course, you can have client-side like JavaScript executing, and that isn't exactly static, but it's static in the sense that we aren't dynamically rendering out server-side files and then serving them up. So S3 website endpoints do not support HTTPS. If you want HTTPS, you're going to have to front load with a CDN. So you can put CloudFront in front of there. You could use a third party, but of course, you're going to have synergies with Amazon CloudFront, and that's what the exams want you to know. For the actual address for the website endpoint, S3 static website will give you one. So if you want a custom domain, you're going to have to use CloudFront for that, but we'll talk about that later. But I want to point out that when we have this this endpoint, it can either have a period or a hyphen in here. So notice that it has hyphen and then period, and then here it has hyphen and then hyphen. So for whatever reason, it's implemented differently in particular regions. I'm not sure where, but I know that this thing has caught me in the past. So just understand that there is that minor difference. There are two hosting types via the AWS console. So you have host a static website, and then you have redirect requests to an object. So it's really interesting that static website hosting can also just do redirects. For requesters pay, which is a storage type, these buckets do not allow access through a website endpoint. So if you're trying to turn a static website and then make people pay just for looking at the website, AWS is not going to let you do that because that's just an odd configuration. But there you go.